So I've just finished building my own fully AI generated content system for my own agency. Now the way it works is that we have one module which leads into different ways through filtering. This module right here contains a webhook. A webhook is a URL where if you do certain actions, it sends the information here and then it splits it into different ways. Hence why we have the different filtering right here, research post, client post, and all that stuff. Now, in terms of my content plan, I have 4 different posts. I have personal post, I have industry specific post, automation, and client results. And then I have a post schedule. So I can sort of have everything there that I've posted before. With that being said, each different line corresponds a different action. For example, if you want to do a research post, then we send it this way and it will create an outline and it will create the post and then it will update the row on a Google Sheet. So everything is fully automatic. Same thing with a client post. It will send it this way, create the outline, create the post, and then update the sheet. And then if you want to get an automation post, we go here, automation post, and then update on the Google Sheet. And the personal post, we create the outline, we create the post, and then it sends it back to the sheet. Now, if I want to do a research specific post, then what I do is I send it this way, and then I use something called Open Router, which is where I can access different LLMs to actually do the research for me. Based on the prompt that I give it or the messaging, the idea that I have, and then it will format the ideas and post it on the sheet, and then I can use Claude to make the automation based on the news that this made. So let's actually put it to test and see what it outputs. I'm going to start by doing a personal post, and let's say I have a topic here, and I have the topic here is living in 3 countries, and the idea description is how I lived in Malaysia, how I'm Italian, I live in the UK now, and my approach to business and personal growth. Now, if I press generate here, it will trigger the automation in the back end. Right here, it just got triggered, and it sent it this way. We create the outline, and then it's done here. So now I have the post right here. And this is sort of the structure that I actually like for my post. And then if I want to post it, I just press post here. It sends it to this sheet right here. And then I can manually post it to LinkedIn. And as you can see here, it's not here anymore because I deleted it from the actual sheet and put it all into the post sheet. And the same thing happens with industry, with client results, and with automation post, where I have the idea basically in different ways. And then I press generate, and then I have different updates, and then it will generate the post automatically. All I see is putting a topic, pressing a button. After 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 30 seconds, right, for the research post, the post is uploaded there. And this is the exact system that I built for a lot of my clients. Obviously, the structure is a bit different, but the whole concept of a Google Sheet dashboard, different triggers, the generating content using Claude, all that stuff is done the same. And it saves them hundreds of hours, and it creates content that takes them the 90% of the way, and then they have to review it, maybe change a few things. But typically we do spend a lot of time on understanding the ICP, messaging, branding, tone of voice, to make sure that the prompt for the AI is structured and it's within the expectations of the client. If you want this built for your own business or agency, then make sure to DM me and we can hop on a call, see if you're a right fit, and then we can start building the system for you.